All right, here we go, guys. This is the Hive crew. We're on our way out to Louisiana right now to pick up the slack out there with the Hurricane Laura. It's out there.
We got 72-hour kits we're giving away.
Yeah.
We have generators we're giving away. We have 50 tarps that we're gonna go tarp roofs.
Picking up water.
We're picking up a pallet of water in Dallas, and we're gonna go fix some homes.
Hey, we have to take a picture with you. Guys, use a couple of Red Bulls. Ice cold, man.
Thank you.
For you.
Doing great. I've been here, like I say, since 1959.
1959, nice. Yeah,
Don't I look good for an old whip?
yeah.
Here we are up on top of that roof. Look at how much tree there is up here. Runs all the way over here. Here's the edge of the house on this side. But see, look in here. Got the antenna down, holes in the roof there. There's holes in the roof all under here, puncturing through to the living spaces underneath. Whole lot of forest leaning sideways.
Hello.
She's staying cool.
Nice. It does.
Maybe these gentlemen are from Utah.
Feels
And they come
good.
here and cut that and covered it, and God happy bless them. Look at my seat in front of you.
Where? Oh, right there. Wow, that's the.
This here is the ridge,
Wow. Crazy.
and then limbs were sticking down here, and this here is bowed out.
Right.
So it pulled all out.
When did you guys get back?
Yesterday.
Yesterday's your first day back. Okay.
Hey, you guys vote. That's terrible.
This, amazing.
I don't see a difference.
Look at Jason's.
what's your name?
My name is Sherry Evans.
Sherry Evans. Nice to meet you. I'm Jason.
Yes, the trailer flew on top of my house. It crushed my truck. It crushed my daughter's boat. It's a disaster. You can take a tour if you like.
Sure.
And see all what this was one point my kitchen. As you can see, it's
What are you most in need of right now?
everything. I have no home, no automobile, no money. I thank God for my health. I got my life. I thank God for that. I thank God. I was talking to you just a while ago. That's
Yeah.
my truck.
Wow.
And the boat is somewhere in there.
Crazy.
Somewhere in the rubble, the boat. Yeah.
Have you got anything you can reach?
Huh?
Have you got anything you
It's
can...
not, I'm not sure if you need to make that. How many do y'all have in there?
3. No, I want to pay you.
No, I was giving it away.
What if I'll just try to throw it at her. Crumple it up and throw it in there. Right on, thank you.
You're awesome. Check that out, man. She's awesome. Blue raspberry lemonade.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, if we let that fall. Well, just pulled that tree down. I missed it on video, but it all landed just how we would have liked, and we missed the power and the AC unit. Took out the gate a little bit, but that's okay. I've never seen Eric so scared of anything. He didn't really want to do it, but it was a success.
Cranky and crying and fussing.
Ah, he likes that.
You think that's fun?
Grab this.
Get up here.
one
Had to be crying.
something got the back end of my car and smashed it, so like I don't have a car to drive and I don't have a house to live in.
Uh-huh.
But
So,
I mean,
and like this job, we probably saved you what, a couple thousand?
10 grand.
Are you serious?
Over 10,000.
That's crazy that they're charging that much.